Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you will be fine. I am IYS teacher nominated to teach SST for class 6. Today our topic is an introduction to South Asia. Kindly open your textbook unit 3. Please listen to my instructions carefully. Have a notebook, write down difficulties you find while lectures. During the lecture, I will share screen with you. Please take a screenshots and you have to do all work in your fair copies carefully. Don't interrupt me during the lecture. If you have any confusion regarding the chapter, so you can ask me after the lecture. Today our topic is an introduction of South Asia. Today's our unit relate geographical part of social study. In this chapter, you will study about land, people, and history of South Asia. This chapter an introduction. This chapter is an introduction to the countries of South Asia and the people who live there. South Asia. Introduction. South Asia is a part of the world which is include Pakistan and six other countries: India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. South Asia or Southern Asia is the southern region of South Asia, which is defined in both geographical and ethno-cultural terms. The region consists of Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. There are seven countries in this region: Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. There are seven countries in this region. But now Afghanistan is also part of the South Asian country. If we talk about the location of South Asia, South Asia location is very important all over the world because South Asia 60° east to 90° east latitude and 10° north to 40° north longitude. Yes, student, you know about the definition of latitude? Latitude, basically the angular distance of a place north or south of the Earth's equator or of the equator of a celestial object, usually expressed in degree and minute. Latitude, basically the angular distance of a place north or south of the Earth's equator or of the equator of celestial object, usually expressed in degree and minutes. Now I will explain the term of latitude. Longitude is the angular distance. Longitude means is the angular distance of a place east or west of the Greenwich meridian or west of the standard meridian of a celestial object, usually expressed in degree and minutes. As a political point of view, this region also has many importance because of the main route which connecting the west to far east toward the north is China. The Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean are also part of South Asian location. Here you can see the political map of South Asia. South Asia political map show the geographical boundaries between governmental units such as countries, state, and countries. The show routes, countries, and major water features such as ocean, river, and lakes. Countries of South Asia are related to each other in many ways. For example, the same government have rules. These countries have often affect the people living in the others. All river of Pakistan originate from India. If one of these countries develop an industry, it may use raw material from the other or provide job to the people living in the neighboring countries of this region. have formed the South Asia Association for Regional Cooperation, and they are sometimes known as the SAARC countries. SAARC, the term of the South Asia Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC) was formed in 1985. SAARC is the regional governmental organization and geographical union of states in South Asia. Its member states are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Why SAARC is formed? Do you know about what is the main purpose of SAARC? The association was formed for the purpose of mutual trust and understanding between the seven countries of South Asia. The association was formed for the purpose of mutual trust and understanding between the seven countries of South Asia. Pakistan is includes in South Asia and also including SAARC. This is SAARC country. Pakistan became independent in 1947. National religion of Pakistan is Islam. About 97% of the people are Muslim, while minorities include Hindu, Christians, Parsis, Sikhs, and Buddhists. Pakistan is a democratic country, and its official name, according to the Constitution of 1973, is the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Currency of Pakistan is Pak rupee. The capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad. National language of Pakistan is Urdu. Population of Pakistan is around 180 million. Farmers crop of Pakistan is wheat, cotton, rice, maize, sugarcane, and oilseed. India also became independent in 1947. Religion of India is Hinduism. About 82% people are Hindus, while 12% are Muslim. Other minorities include Sikh, Christians, Buddhists, Jain, and Parsis. The capital of India is New Delhi. The national language of India is Hindi. Currency of India is Indian rupee. The population of India is 1018 million. India is the largest world after China. India is the largest in the world after China. India is a democratic country. It was ruled under the India Act of 1935. At the time of its independence, but developed its own constitution in 1949. Farmers crops of India is rice, wheat, maize, millet, and pulses, cotton, jute, sugarcane, tobacco, and oilseeds. Is Bangladesh. Bangladesh became independent in 1971. You know about the Bangladesh. Bangladesh used to be a part of Pakistan from 1947 to 1971. It was called East Pakistan at that time. Religion of Bangladesh is Islam. The national capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Currency of Bangladesh is Taka. The national language is Bengali. Bangladesh is a democratic country. Population of Bangladesh is around 124 million. Famous crops of Bangladesh is rice, wheat, maize, pulses, oilseed, jute, sugarcane. The majority of the people are Muslim, but a large number of Hindus live there. Other minority include Christian and Buddhist. Next country is Nepal. Nepal, established in 1969 AD, Nepal became a federal republic on 28 May 2008. National religion of Nepal is Buddhism. The capital city of Nepal is Kathmandu. Nepal national currency of Nepal is Nepalese rupee. National language of Nepal is Nepali. Population of Nepal is 23 million. Famous crops of Nepal is maize, milk, sugarcane, jute, tobacco, tea, cotton. Next country is Bhutan. Bhutan. Independence year of Bhutan is 1949. Religion of Bhutan is Buddhism, but around 25% are Hindus. The capital city of Bhutan is Thimphu. Population of Bhutan about 2 million. Language of Bhutan is Dzongkha. Language of Bhutan is Dzongkha. Currency of Bhutan is Nagulcham. Famous crops of Bhutan is rice, wheat, maize. Sri Lanka. Independence year of Sri Lanka is 1948. Religion of Sri Lanka is Buddhist. Currency of Sri Lanka is Sinhala. Religion of Sri Lanka is Buddhist, but there are also Hindu, Muslims, and Christians living here. Currency of Sri Lanka is Sinhala. The capital city of Sri Lanka is Siri Jayawardhanepura. Siri Jayawardhanepura. Population of Sri Lanka is around 19 million. Famous crops of Sri Lanka is tea, rubber, rice. Maldives. The last country of is Maldives. Independence year of Maldives is 1965. Religion of Maldives is Islam. Religion of Maldives is Islam. The capital city of Maldives is Male. Currency of Maldives is rupiah. The national language of Maldives is Maldivian. Population of Maldives is around zero point 0.3 million. Famous crops of Maldives is milk, corn, sweet potatoes, pineapple, sugarcane, and almonds. Okay, these are SAARC countries. These countries are included in SAARC. Okay, now I'm going to the next topic. Now talk about the occupation of South Asia. Occupations of South Asia. Everyone need to earn money in order to live in the modern world. What people do in order to earn their livelihood is called their occupation. And the most common occupation is are agriculture, livestock farming, fishing, handicraft, industry, labor, trade, services. These are me. These are famous occupation of South Asia. The first common occupation is South Asia is agriculture. Agriculture is the occupation of raising crops in field. It is the most common occupation in South Asia. This area is gifted with fertile soil and fresh water, except desert areas. This area gifted with fertile soil and fresh water, except desert areas. Agriculture depend on the excellent irrigation system. Some agriculture also depend on rainwater, especially in the areas that receive heavily shower of monsoon rain every year. The most fertile region of South Asia is River Indus in Pakistan, Ganges, Ganges, Jamuna in India, Brahmaputra in Bangladesh. The people in Nepal have also developed agriculture field in the fertile valley of their landlocked country. Nepal and Bhutan is landlocked country. Landlocked country means those where sea is not present but they have rivers. Livestock means livestock word define itself that it is lives plus stock. Life plus stock. The growth of living animal or bird like cattle, sheep, goats, poultry, etc. inform to get their product in either directly or indirectly for getting some earning in form of profit. Areas that don't receive sufficient water for agriculture usually develop an industry and livestock farming or raising animals. Livestock animals are used for transport as well as providing meat and milk. Fishing has remained one of the most important occupations in South Asia because of the region's vast water resources. The people of Sindh in Pakistan and the people of Bangladesh consider fish as a major part of their diet. Handicraft. Handicraft is the common occupation of South Asia. Some areas of South Asia famous for their handicrafts like in Pakistan, woodwork of Hala and in India, the gold embroideries on saris. Some areas of South Asia are famous for their handicrafts and cottage industries. Industry. South Asia is mainly an agricultural land. It is fast developing industry and international investors are also setting up their business here. South Asia is mainly an agricultural land. It is fast developing in industry as well. Local investors on many of these industries, while international investors are also setting up their business here. Labor. Next. Next occupation is labor. Factories require a large number of workers or laborers. The laborers run the machines and ensure the progress of any country. Factories require a large number of workers or laborers, run the machines and ensure the progress of any countries. In many countries, labor unions try to ensure that the labor are provided with fair wages and adequate provisions to live a happy life. The next occupation is trades. Trades. Traders ensure that the good produce in the factories and the crops grown in the field are available in a shop near your home. Traders ensure that the good produce in the factories and the crops grown in the field are available in a shops near your home. They include the middlemen, wholesalers, and owners of big business. Service. The last occupation of South Asia is services. Any modern society require a number of complex jobs to be performed in government office as well as the private sector. All modern societies require a number of complex jobs to be performed in government offices as well as the private sector. These may include services, insurance, banking, engineering, media, computer, medicine, and so on. For example, take Chennai, a city in India, which is fast becoming famous for its computer experts. Okay, these these are important occupation of South Asia. Today we have discussed this topic in detail about SAARC countries and important occupation of South Asia. Now homework. Okay, dear student, we have discussed about introduction of South Asia, about location, political map of South Asia. This is the map of South Asia. Just define routes, location of South Asia, political map. Political map show the geographical boundary between governmental units and such as countries, state and countries. They show routes, cities and major water features such as ocean, river and lakes. Okay. These are SAARC countries, but Afghanistan, you know about the Afghanistan. Afghanistan is also part of SAARC. Uh, in your book is not mentioned, but nowadays Afghanistan is also part of SAARC countries, and also mentioned is South Asian map. Okay, these are South Asian country like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Maldives. We talk about the occupation of South Asia: agriculture, livestock, farming, fishing, handicraft, industries, labor, trades, services. Agriculture, livestock farming, fishing, handicraft, industry, labor, trades, services. Okay, these are important occupation of South Asia. Now homework. Today we have discussed this topic in detail about SAARC countries of South Asia and important occupation of South Asia. First question is, what does SAARC stand for and when was it established? You can see the page number 17. SAARC stand for South East Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. It was formed in 1985 at a meeting in Dhaka to develop cooperation. Second question is, name the countries of South Asia and their capital. You can see the page number 17 to 19. You can write just capital of South Asia, countries of South Asia and their capital. The countries of South Asia and their capital are follows as you like Pakistan. The national capital is Bangladesh. The national capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. The national capital of India is New Delhi. The national capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. The national capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. The national capital is Bhutan. The national capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. The national capital of Sri Lanka is Siri Jayawardhanepura. The national capital of Maldives is Malé. Okay, all countries including SAARC, you can write the name and their capital. Okay, third question is, name some of the important occupation of South Asia. South Asia. You can see all slide, but you can write just name because the question of mention name some Name some of the important occupation of South Asia. You can see the slide occupations. Some of the important occupation of South Asia are agriculture, livestock farming, fishing, handicraft, industry, labor, trades, and services. Please take a screenshots. You can write just name because your question is depend on only name. Name some of the important occupation of South Asia. Some of the important occupation of South Asia are agriculture, livestock farming, fishing, handicraft, industry, labor, trades, and services. Okay, this is your homework. 3 questions. This is your home task. If you have any confusion about chapter regarding the chapter topic, you can ask me on chat. Your home task is what does SAR stand for and when was it established? Page number on 17. The answer is mentioned very clearly. Name the countries of South Asia and their capital. On you can see the page number 17 to 19. Just you can write the capital of cities, those cities which is include in SAR countries. Okay, SAR countries, but SAR countries is 7 countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Maldives. The third question, name some of the important occupation of South Asia. You can see the page number on page number 20 or 21 and you can see all those slides like mention all occupation of South Asia agriculture, livestock farming, fishing, handicraft, industry, labor, trades, and services. We have discussed South Asia or Southern. Okay, this chapter are related to introduction of South Asia. This chapter is related to geographical part of social studies. South Asian or Southern Asia is the southern region of Asia which is defined in both geographical and ethnocultural terms. The region consists of Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. There are 7 countries in this region. Countries of South Asia, we talk about the countries of South Asia are related to each other in many ways. For example, the some government have ruled these countries very often affects the people living in the order all rivers of Pakistan originate from the India. If one of these countries develop an industry, it may use raw material from the others or private shop to the people living in a neighboring countries of this region have formed the South Asia Association for Regional Cooperation and they are sometimes known as the SAARC countries. SAARC country means the Association for Regional Cooperation. SAR is the regional intergovernmental organization and geographical union of state in South Asia. Its member states are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. And the purpose of SARC is the association was formed of the purpose of mutual trust and understanding between the 7 countries of South Asia. Okay, now clear your concept. Okay, now it's time to give answer. If you have any confusion regarding the chapter, regarding the topic, so you can ask me on chat. Okay, Allah Hafiz.